Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about some internet download manager alternatives which are free and open source. We all know internet download manager is a good tool for downloading files from the internet. It has some cool features which you are not get from the normal Chrome and Firefox browser like resume download, stop download, schedule download, etc. It gives you much more faster download speed than your normal day-to-day browser. But it is not a free software. You are getting 30-day trial period. After that you have to buy this software, but there are some good alternatives like internet download manager which are free and open source. So we are going to talk about three best free and open source download manager which is as good as internet download manager. First of all, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell button for more tech videos like this. You can also follow the written post about this tutorial from the link in the description below. So in the first we have Extreme Download Manager, which is a free and open source download manager which is a Java based application. So you need to have installed Java on your computer to use this application. You can download the Java from the link in the description below. It supports multiple platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac and other OS. We are going to install Windows version, so the latest XDM version is 7.2.11. After downloading, install this software. You will pop up with XDM GUI interface. As you can see here, it support Mozilla Firefox install add-on and Google Chrome install add-on. So you can install add-on on Google Chrome, which will enable you to download files directly to Extreme Download Manager. Normally, to download files, you have to copy the download link and click on this plus icon below. It will automatically add your download link. You can choose the destination source where the file will be downloaded. Then click on the download now button. As you can see here, the download speed is far more greater than the normal browser download speed. You can pause the download, stop the download and as well as resume the download. The second is UGET Download Manager, which is a free and open source download manager. You can download it from the official website. It also supports various platforms like Linux, Android, BSD, Windows. You can download the portable version for Windows. To download the installable or .exe file, you have to go to the GitHub page. So go to the GitHub page and you can check out the latest release. And from the readme section, you can follow the instruction to download UGET installer. You can also check out the releases for getting the latest up-to-date UGET download manager. Scroll down to bottom and you can see here .exe file. Just click it to download. Then install it and go to start and write UGET and open the application. To add a download, just copy the download link and go to file and then new download. Your download link will be automatically added to the URI section. Then you can change the destination where the file will be downloaded, then click OK. As you can see here, the download speed is pretty much low compared to the Extreme Download Manager. The next is Persepolis Download Manager. It is the best open source free download manager I have used. it's made with Python, and in the backend it is using Area 2, which is a command line based download manager which is also open source. It supports various platforms like Linux, BSD, macOS and Windows. For downloading this software for your Windows machine, click on the Microsoft Windows section. It will redirect you to the GitHub page and follow the instructions. Then go to the download installation package here. So download this software as your system architecture, which is 64-bit or 32-bit. Mine is 64-bit, so I will download 64-bit version. After downloading, install this software. As you can see here, the GUI is beautiful. For downloading your files, just copy your download link, then click on the plus button. Your download link will be automatically added to the download link. Then you can choose single download or schedule download for later download. We will select single download, then click OK. As you can see here, the speed is pretty much good here. You can pause the download, resume it and stop it. So we will download the same file with Extreme Download Manager and see the download speed. As you can see here, the speed is same as Parspolis Download Manager. We will download the same file on UGET Download Manager. You can see here the speed is pretty much low compared to Extreme Download Manager and Parspolis Download Manager. So if you are looking for a free and open source download manager, I will suggest you Extreme Download Manager and Parspolis Download Manager. Thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell button for more tech videos like this. Like this video if you like it, and let me know on the comment section what's your thought about this video.